Okay, it's the pedals, some tools, and the charger. Okay, this one is left, and it goes in here. It's collapsible. The Engwe Pro has an aluminum alloy foldable frame. The top speed is 28 miles per hour and has a range of 45 to 55 miles on one charge. The bike has a comfortable seat with enough space underneath to mount an alarm system, hydraulic brakes with motor inhibitors, and a large LCD screen in the middle. There are comfortable leather hand grips. There's an 8-speed trigger shifter, a large chain ring, a derailleur with 8-speed cassette, and in the middle a powerful 750 watt uplift. Hydraulic brake helpers with 160-inch discs on the front and rear wheel for solid braking power. On this bike are 4 by 20-inch fat tires, good for any on or off-road travel, front and rear suspension, and then there's the bike rack. I didn't buy this bike just for the rack, but it looks solid to me and handy for support. Even a passenger can feel secure on this bike rack. The rear shock is unique in its own way. It has 30mm of travel and a nice looking pivot system. On the bottom is a prop stand for when the bike is folded, and next to it is the sealed cadence sensor unit. Foldable pedals like we've seen before, and alloy crank arms. There is new power generation technology. Inside the frame is hiding the removable battery. Front suspension with preload adjustment and a manual lockout. You can switch on the bike by pressing on the power button on the control unit, and then the color display will turn on. There's also a USB dongle to charge your phone. The thumb throttle is on the left hand side and easy to get used to. Below that is a button to a cute horn. To charge the battery, there's a charging port on the outside of the bike. Charging time is around 5 to 6 hours with a silent charger. On the front is a bright projector light with an alloy housing. And in the back there's a red light that also is a brake light. If you press the plus and minus buttons at the same time, you're entering the settings. By using the plus and minus buttons, you can navigate through the menu. Press the I button to enter. In the advanced settings, you can change the wheel size from 24 to 20, for accurate speed measurements. Set the speed limit according to your country and a lot of other settings. Press back to leave the settings. Long press the power button to switch it off. To open the bike, flip up the safety lever and then pull back the quick release. There you can find the battery. And you can close it in the same way. Similar to the closing of the beanstalk folding handlebar setup. Okay, that was the unboxing. It's looking fantastic. And now let's go outside and take it for a ride. Well, I don't know how I got it down the stairs, but I did. And I'm not sure how it's going to be up the stairs, but we'll see. This goes smooth. Really getting some assistance when you're driving. Let's go here. I can change my gear when I have my camera in the hand. Let's take this route. It's all very busy. This is a beautiful park.
How to order at AliExpress. Ordering on AliExpress is a straightforward process. So let's get straight into the video. Open your AliExpress application. Also make sure that you're logged into your account. From the main homepage of AliExpress, you can search for the product with the help of the search box at the top. You can also browse through the product's categories displayed on the screen. Now, scroll through the products and find the one that you'd like to purchase. Tap on the product to purchase it. And then this will show you other information about the product. You can select the size, colors, and the design. To order the product right away, tap on the Buy Now button at the bottom right-hand corner. Select the size for your product. And then you can also increase or decrease the quantity according to your need. Finally, tap the Continue button at the bottom. And then on the next page, fill in your shipping address and other information. On this page, it'll show you the order details and the summary for the product. You can enter a promo code if available, and you'll also need to enter your payment details. Tap on Select Payment Method from the option and choose your desired payments method. You can select PayPal, add a new credit or debit card, select Apple Pay for your purchase, or simply pay for the product after delivery. Select one of the options as a payment method. In my case, I'm going to choose the Add a New Card option. Go ahead and pick one of the options. You can then scan your card with the help of the scanner button, or manually enter your card number in the text box, enter your card details, your name, your card's expiry date, and the CVV code for the card. If you want to save this card's detail, you can toggle on the button where it says Save Card Details, and finally tap on Save and Confirm at the bottom. After you do that, you'll be able to place order and finalize your product. After successfully placing your order, you'll receive an order confirmation with a tracking number. You can use the number to track the status of your shipment. Depending upon the shipping method and your location, all you need to do now is to wait for the order to be delivered. So that is how you can easily place an order on AliExpress. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.